It's Charlie Wills back with another exciting video on TechCity, an unboxing video actually of the Oraimo Freepods 2 True Wireless Half-In Earbuds, where I'll also be sharing my first impressions of the newly released device. Now, Oraimo boasts of an impressive range of smart devices, including charging devices, which it has become quite notable for, amongst other product lines like its audio accessories. So from wireless neckband pieces to custom-tuned editions, overhead headphones, and speakers, we can say they have just about every product you need to thoroughly enjoy your audio experience and embrace smart living. The box provides you with the specs of the device at a glance, with a 365-day warranty if you purchase the device. But let's unbox this device to find out more. In the box, you have a charging case. On the body of the case, you have 3 indicator lights indicative of the case status and a micro USB charging port at the base. In the charging case, you have the earbuds, which Oraimo describes as the True Wireless Half-In Earbuds, a micro USB charging cable, and this welcome guide. One of the first things that strikes me about these buds is how lightweight they are, just holding them and of course wearing them, with each earbud weighing 4 grams. This sort of establishes that extremely lightweight earbuds are fast becoming a thing across many earbud manufacturers, underscoring the drive for comfort and ergonomics for potential users. And one major spec in terms of ergonomics of this device is how the earbuds have been designed to conform to the shape of your ear canal. Let's connect this device to see how it works. Pairing the wireless buds to a mobile device was pretty quick, with a steady press to its multi-function force sensor to power on the buds, and then a long press to pair. This you may easily identify via the flashing alternate red and green lights on its status indicator. You've got intuitive touch controls to answer calls and enjoy music on the go, with touch control sensors that are peculiar to each bud, so you can play both sides or just one at a time. There's so much more to explore using these controls by tapping the buds, including activating voice assistants, and the welcome guide provides you with a comprehensive list of these controls. The Oraimo Freepods 2 comes with 13mm sound drivers and boasts of a perfect blend of deep bass, natural mids, and detailed treble. I obviously haven't spent enough time with these buds to give an established verdict on its audio quality and listening experience, as I literally just got to unbox the device, but I would say the sound is pretty decent. Some other specs that may interest you about these buds include a 10-meter talk range, which is about 33 feet, and a 37 mAh battery capacity for each earbud. This, Oraimo says, should give you 3.5 hours of music playtime and can be extended to a day's worth using its handy charging case, and 3 hours talk time. In addition to this, its case, which has a battery capacity of 500 mAh, should provide up to 6 full charges. Okay, my first impressions. I like that it's lightweight and comfortable to wear, and the buds connect quite instantly. Another feature that I find very useful and unique is the incorporation of a music and call sensor that is peculiar to each bud. Alright, so that's it on the unboxing and my first impressions of the Oraimo Freepods 2 True Wireless Half-In Earbuds. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment if you did and state what spec you like most about the device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Like and share this video if you may, and I'll see you next time in another video.